Hello friends, I'm Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for subscribing, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to learn more and more. If some 3 consecutive in the binomial expansion of x plus 1 to the power n are in ratio 2 is to 15 is to 70, then the average of 3 coefficients is four options are given: 964, 625, 227, and 232. So this is a question based on both binomial theorem and combinations. So let's proceed. So when this type of question is given, you can take the coefficients are like this. Let the coefficients are NCR minus 1, NCR, and NCR plus 1. So this ratio is 2 is to 15 is to 70. So we'll take 2 to together. So I'm taking the first ratio, first and second. NCR minus 1 over NCR equals to 2 ratio 15. Here I want to tell you a short method. In the explanation, you don't have so much time to solve it. So what I'll ask you to memorize this ratio gives you your r over n minus r plus 1. If we simplify, this gives the value. So 2 over 15. Now you can cross multiply. So 15 times of r equals to twice n minus twice r plus 2, or taking to one side you'll get 17r minus twice n equals to 2. So this is our equation 1. Now when you are taking the second two ratios, this one, you are getting the ratio 15 to 70. So NCR over 1. So here also I'll ask you to memorize, that is r plus 1 over n minus r. So this equals to 3 by 15 by 70. You will simplify, it will be 3, 5, 3 and 5, 14. So this equals to 3 over 14. So again cross multiplying, you are getting 14 times of r plus 14 equals to 3 times of n minus 3 times of r, or 17r minus 3n equals to minus 14. So this is equation 2. Now solving equation 1 and 2, people subtract 17r, 17r will be cancelled. So you are getting n equals to 16 and r equals to 2. So we have taken the coefficients, your NC r minus 1, NC r, and NC r plus 1. We have to get the average of this. Average of 3 terms will be 16C1 plus 16C2 plus 16C3 over your 3. 16C1 is 16, and if we calculate 16C2, it will be 16 into 15 by 2, that will be 120. Then 16C3 will be 16 into 15 into 14 over 6. So it will be 560 total divided by 3. So the answer will be 232. So fourth one is the answer. Thank you for watching.